A sugar factory processes sugarcane or sugar beet to extract sugar. Sugarcane thrives in tropical and subtropical regions, while sugar beet is grown in cooler climates. The process begins with cleaning and preparing the raw materials. Sugarcane or sugar beet is washed to remove dirt and debris, ensuring the highest quality juice extraction. Next, the juice is extracted from the sugarcane or sugar beet. This is done by crushing the raw materials to release the juice, which contains the sugar. The extracted juice is then clarified to remove impurities. This involves adding lime and heating the juice, causing impurities to coagulate and be easily removed. The clarified juice is concentrated by evaporation, removing excess water. The concentrated juice is then crystallized to form sugar crystals, which are separated from the remaining liquid. Sugar factories also produce byproducts like molasses and bagasse. Located near sugarcane or sugar beet farms, these factories minimize transportation costs and ensure quick processing, playing a crucial role in many economies reliant on sugar production.